Hello everyone, I'm Jackie. Today we are going to talk about the difference between switch and hub. Switch is used to connect local area network. It's device specifically designed for connecting terminals in enterprise. It commonly have 24 or 48 ports. Hub is early versions of switches. It has a similar appearance to switches, but has fewer interface ports, usually for 8 or 16 ports. So, why were hubs phased out? The main reason is their low transmission efficiency. Hub only supports half-duplex communication, where sending and receiving data cannot occur simultaneously. However, switch supports full duplex communication, which means it can send and receive data at the same time. The problem encountered when networks are set up is collision demand. When data volume is large, collisions between data packets can lead to data loss. Hubs simply discard the data, while retransmission of data with bandwidth. Switches have buffer space in their memory that temporarily stores collected data. Once transmission is normal, data is retrieved from buffer and sent out, reducing unnecessary retransmissions. The biggest weakness of hub is that it cannot perform directed forwarding. They cannot accurately forward data to its intended destination. For example, if 3 hosts are connected to a hub and host 1 need to send data to host 3, data received at interface 1 should be sent to interface 3. However, hubs do not have this functionality and instead use broadcast transmission, sending the received data to every interface. This not only wastes bandwidth, but also compromises security. On the other hand, switches have MAC address tables that enable them to perform directed forwarding, resulting in higher transmission efficiency. Of course, switches also have some drawbacks, which we will discuss in the next video. Okay? That's all for today's sharing. If you have any question or other technology you want to learn, please leave a comment below and don't forget subscribe my channel. Bye bye buddy.